Berlin, the capital of Germany, is a bright and diverse metropolis that attracts millions of tourists every year. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and thriving art, Berlin offers a unique blend of the charm of the old world and modern innovation. The urban landscape of Berlin is a fascinating combination of architectural styles. From historical landmarks such as the Brandenburg Gate and the Reichstag to modern structures such as the famous Berlin Tower, the city's panorama reflects its present and past. Berlin is also a popular destination for tourists from around the world. Thanks to numerous museums, art galleries, and cultural events, there is always something to explore. Visitors can immerse themselves in history at Checkpoint Charlie Museum or immerse themselves in art on the famous Museum Island. The lively areas of Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain are home to trendy bars, restaurants, and boutiques. Those who are planning to visit Berlin, it is worth noting that the city has received many enthusiastic reviews of tourists from around the world. Friendly locals, lively nightlife, and affordable prices make it an attractive city for all types of travelers. In conclusion, Berlin stands out as a charming city with a unique combination of history, culture, and modernity. Whether you are exploring historical landmarks or plunging into a stormy nightlife, in Berlin everyone will find something for themselves. Plan your visit to this dynamic city and experience what it has to offer.